And races on speed bullet from the outside, Sir Frederick's distinctive dancer. And moving up by Daryl Northwest alongside is My Treasure. Under further outside is Fabiola. And moving up Snake, Inigal Shadow, and Tebaxi. Passing the half-mile post speed bullet followed by distinctive dancer. Sir Frederick racing in third by some two lengths. Snake, Inigal Shadow, My Treasure in between runners Tebaxi, down on the inside Northwest and Fabiola. Rounding the far turn, speed bullet by some 6 lengths. Distinctive dancer Sir Frederick, My Treasure, moving up together with Tebaxi, Snake, Inigal Shadow, also coming into the picture. Speed bullet, My Treasure, moving up by Darrell, My Treasure, speed bullet, Tebaxi, Snake, Inigal Shadow, Sir Frederick. My Treasure, number 12, this time draws clear by some 4 lengths now. Speed bullet in second, and nearing the finish line, My Treasure, the horse of Mr. Hubert Leong. Second, speed bullet, Tebaxi, close for 4th and 5th between entry number 11, Strong Boy, 4A, Fabiola, and Sir Frederick.